So this is the Germ Guardian replacement filter. This is the box that it comes in. This filter needs to be replaced every 6 to 8 months. I have mine on auto ship, so I don't have to worry about reordering. But this is the pet filter, so this is supposed to catch any of that extra pet hair and dandruff and stuff that's going through the air. This is supposed to be better for that in your air purification system. This is what the filter looks outside of the box. You have some instructions telling you about the filter, and then here on the side you actually have an arrow, so it'll tell you which direction to face the filter whenever you're installing it. And then this is the back of the filter itself. Now I'm going to show you how I put it in. So I have my air filter off. Now I'm going to open it up. As you can see, my filter is really dirty and needs changed, so you just easily take that out. You're going to dispose of it whenever you're all finished, and then you see the arrows here. You're going to take this air filter and just set it right in the inside of your air filter, and it's super easy to change.